Welcome to the Science Club! Ready for an adventure? Wow! Look at this green one. It is so different. Wow, that is so cool. Mine is bright red. Wow! Whoa, look at that giant planet! It's so beautiful. Look how small Mercury is. And Mars is its neighbor. But Earth and Venus are much bigger. Wow! Look what we learned today. We found so many awesome things.
Wow, look at that!
I found an atom.
You are true scientists.